Hello again, this is Martin with San Antonio Mobile Car Wash, and we're based here in San Antonio, Texas. We're a mobile auto detail service that comes to you at home or at work. We give our customers awesome quality, great customer service, and unheard of convenience. So give us a call. If you want to set up an appointment or just have some questions, give us a call at area code 210-213-3782. Or check us out on the web at www.samobilecarwash.com. Thank you for watching our video and have a great day.